Welcome back to High Story Cooking Classes, where history meets the kitchen, and today it meets a frying pan that may or may not to be older than some historical events. Our dish today is one of the most humble comfort foods ever created: pancakes. A cuisine made with the simplest ingredients: milk, water, eggs, flour, and ancient human instinct. I'm hungry. What can I cook right now? Historically, pancakes appeared everywhere where humans learned to grind grain and cook it on something hot. No fancy tools, no Michelin stars, just survival and later traditions. Across Slavic countries, these pancakes are also known as blini, mlinci, nalisniki, palanchiki. Different names, same idea, same fight over who flips them better. And then there is France. In most Slavic countries, the dish names are variations of blini, while the French are crepe. Crepe. Same pancake, but thinner accent. So let's leave the history for a moment and move into the kitchen, before someone argues that their grandma makes a real version. Today's ingredients are so basic that even if you think that your fridge is empty, you still probably have them: milk, water, eggs, flour, salt, sugar, and butter. That's it. No secret ingredients, no mysterious powders, no things you have to Google. Quick reminder: your milk, water, and eggs should be at room temperature, because cold products will shock butter, and no one likes drama in their pancakes. And your flour needs to be sifted, not because it's fancy, because pancakes enjoy breathing. And now, while our eggs, milk, and water are warming up, pretending that they're on vacation, let's get deep into our history. In Slavic cultures, blini were traditionally baked at the end of winter, during celebration called Maslenitsa. Maslenitsa is sometimes called a Slavic version of Burning Man. Except it's colder, there is less dust, and instead of art installations, there is butter. A lot of butter. This festival celebrated the end of winter. People were happy that the cold is over and decided to reward themselves the best way possible by eating blini until buttons gave up. Blini made sense because everyone had the ingredients: milk, water, eggs, flour. Simple, affordable, and always available. Toppings depended on what survived the winter: sour cream, honey, jam, mushrooms, or salted fish. Basically, if it's still edible, put it on a blin. Maslenitsa also included sledding, dancing, singing, snowball fights, and finally burning a straw effigy to say goodbye to winter. A very dramatic way of saying, please don't come back. And now let's return to the kitchen before winter changed its mind. We mix our milk, water, eggs, salt, sugar, vegetable oil, and sifted flour. The goal is thin, silky, lump-free, unlike most of our life decisions. My mom's secret ingredient: baking soda. Just a tip of knife. In France, crepes became especially popular in Brittany, where buckwheat crepes, galettes, were everyday food. The French even have a holiday just for crepes, La Chandeleur, celebrated in early February. There is a tradition where you flip a crepe with one hand while holding a coin in other for luck and prosperity. If you drop it, well, the history doesn't mention what happens next. French crepes are thin, elegant, and precise, like pancakes that went to finishing school. And now, enough talking, let's cook. Heat the pan, grease it a little bit, and remember, the first pancake is the test pancake. Swirl the pan and flip it confidently, or at least pretend you're confident. For the French style, lemon and sugar, chocolate or fruits, or caramelized pears, which are just one pear, a little bit of wine, butter, and honey. Let's make it. Add a knob of butter, add a little bit of wine. Add honey, and add our pears. Now the reward. For the Slavic style, top your blini with sour cream, jam, honey, butter, or caviar. Rich, comforting, and very dangerous if you stop counting. For the French style, lemon and sugar, fruits or caramelized pears. Light, elegant, and somehow you still eat 10. Same butter, different styles. Now, let's taste it. I'm gonna use my hands. Fluffy, creamy, and salty because of caviar. Now the one with jam. Delicious too. For the French style, I need manners. Same butter, but different styles. Different excuses to eat more. In the next episode, we're going in the opposite direction. A heavy meal that requires patience, time, and a very serious appetite. See you next time on High Story Cooking Classes. New episodes every Saturday.